Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the pen tool. We'll go over how it works with keyframes, masking, and how you can even draw shapes directly on your video. Let's get started. Let's start with how the pen tool works with keyframes. And for this example, we'll use it on audio volume. You can find the pen tool in your toolbar, or by pressing P on your keyboard to select it. Now, go to your timeline and expand your audio track so you can see the volume line running through the clip. With the pen tool, click anywhere on the line to add a keyframe. Then you can drag those points up or down to raise or lower the volume at specific parts of the clip. It's a super quick way to fade audio, create smooth transitions, or fine-tune volume changes, all without needing an extra effect. By right-clicking on the keyframes, you can also ease out or ease them in. Next, let's use the pen tool for masking, which is another powerful use. Apply an effect like Gaussian blur. Then go to the effects control panel. Under the effect, you'll see mask tools, the ellipse, rectangle, and the pen tool. Click the pen tool there and start drawing a custom shape right on your program monitor. Each click adds a point, and once you close the shape, the effect applies only inside the area outlined. By only clicking, you're creating straight lines. But if you want to make curved lines, instead of clicking, you're going to hold and drag your mouse. And lastly, if you want to create a shape using the pen tool, just select the pen tool and click on your project monitor. And you can start drawing your custom shape. Again, by clicking, you're creating straight lines. By holding and dragging, you're creating curved lines. Now, if you want to learn how to customize your shape, I have a whole video dedicated just to that.
That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.